What's the meaning of coincidentally? Coincidentally. Coincidentally.
Coincidentally. Coincidentally. Coincidentally refers to something happening by chance or luck, without any prior planning or intention. It suggests that two or more things have happened at the same time, by coincidence. For example, if two people run into each other in a different city by chance, they may say that it was coincidental. The word can also be used in situations where a particular outcome happens unexpectedly or unintentionally, such as two people wearing the same outfit to an event. Overall, coincidentally describes an occurrence that is unplanned but occurs by chance.